Hello, this is Lisa with Custom Creations by Lisa Jane. I want to show you my fabric stuff that I got the other day at a yard sale. This is my fabric haul. So we went to a yard sale down in Searsport in Maine, and I was surprised. This lady was selling 3 bins of cloth, and she started telling me like I could do it for 25 cents, and then she said if I got a whole bunch of stuff, she'll sell it to me for $3. So I started going through, and she was selling this. It's bigger. I really think it's satin. So that, and then of course I saw this. Some of the stuff I already know what I'm making with, but so she's selling this, and I'm going to outline this, make this into a wall hanging or a blanket. And then I got this. So this is going to be a pillow, or 2 pillows. So it'll be 2 panels, which will be 2 pillows. And then this is what I really wanted, and this is going to be either a blanket or a wall hanging also. But I just saw this, and it's like 2 of them, so I can make 2 wall hangings out of it. But this is the picture. And then of course and then you have another one, the same exact, like right here. And she said that she just wanted to get rid of everything. So she also had yarn, but she had some kind of yarn that I don't typically use, so I figured not to. And then I got this fabric. I'm not sure what I'm doing with this yet, but hey. And then this I'm thinking about making scrunchies out of. So, oops, sorry. So it's this one right here. Actually, I think I made scrunchies out of this fabric before. And then this, I'm not really sure, but I fell in love with this fabric. I'll probably see about making a scrunchie with a matching scarf, maybe? But I just love this fabric. It is so pretty. And then this my dad saw, so I just bought it for him because I don't use leather, but my dad saw this, and so this is the leather. Can't remember if it's fake leather or if it's real leather, but still it's leather. So my dad works with this stuff, so you could tell how much that stuff was. And then I found another panel like that lion one, so she had another one just like it, so I picked it up. And then of course my dad sells these. He works with this stuff, so told him I would buy it for him. And then the rest is just these 2 things, and I bought them because I thought I would make scrunchies out of them. These are silk. So it's purple, and then it's pink right here. And all this fabric, I actually ended up only paying $1 for. So this is quite a steal. This is quite a good fabric haul. Just at a yard sale. There was so much more there, but I decided this was enough. I have more than enough right now to work with. Thank you.